Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Ford Escape wiper blades. First, gather your new wiper blades and a small towel to protect your windshield. Make sure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the ignition off. Carefully lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into the upright position. This prepares the arm for safe blade removal. Now, let's remove the old wiper blade. Look for a small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and slide the old blade straight off the wiper arm hook. Be careful not to let the metal arm snap back onto the windshield, as this could cause damage. Gently lower the arm back down after removal. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully slide the new wiper blade onto the hook of the wiper arm. Push it firmly until you hear a click, indicating it's securely locked. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's attached. Repeat these steps for the passenger side wiper blade, ensuring both are properly installed. Once both new blades are installed, gently lower both wiper arms back onto the windshield. Turn on your vehicle and test the new wiper blades using your windshield washer fluid. Ensure they clear the glass smoothly and quietly. For optimal visibility and safety, it is recommended to replace your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months, or when you notice streaking.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.